Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated knee raise march. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your core engaged, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Pausing at center, moving into a lateral toe tap. Alternate, stepping one leg out to the side, adding a toe tap, and then returning to center, repeating on the opposite side. As you practice this movement, work to keep your torso upright without leaning side to side, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable, strengthening through your outer hips and abductors, while building side to side strength and coordination needed for stability. Step your feet back to center, moving into a side leg lift. Lift your right leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, working to keep your navel back towards your spine, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility through your hips. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest and place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Adding movement with your left hand to your right leg. Alternate between drawing your right thigh in closer and relaxing open. Continue with this movement, creating more mobility and flexibility through your right hip. Continue here, or to increase this stretch, moving into a rock the baby pose variation. With your right hand to your right leg and your left hand to your right foot, draw your right leg in closer, keeping your right foot lightly flexed. Begin to gently sway your cradled leg from right to left as you continue sitting tall with your chest lifting, keeping your right foot lightly flexed, moving through your own range of motion. Release and place your right outer ankle to the top of your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and begin to lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, hinging forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your outer hip, glutes, deep rotators, and low back. Slowly lift your torso to upright, moving into tree pose. Maintain your legs and place your hands together in prayer position. Continue here, or optional to reach your arms overhead or as high as comfortable, keeping your spine long, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth while lightly lifting through your lower belly. Slowly release. Maintain your legs, adding a twist. Use your left hand to draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right. Placing your right hand behind you for support. Gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer thigh, hip, and low back. Slowly unwind and release, returning to center. Repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. With your right hand to your left leg, begin to alternate drawing your left thigh in closer and relaxing open. Continue with this movement, gently waking up your left outer hip. Continue here, or to increase this stretch, moving into a rock the baby pose variation. With your right hand to your left foot and your left hand to your left leg, draw your left leg in closer. With your left foot flexed, begin to gently sway your cradled leg from side to side. As you continue with this movement, keep your chest lifting and your spine long, moving through your own range of motion, creating more mobility and flexibility through your left hip. Release and place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee, relaxing your left thigh open. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Slowly lift your torso to upright, moving into tree pose. Maintain your legs and place your hands together in prayer position. Continue here, or to increase this stretch, reach your arms overhead or as high as comfortable. Breathe as you continue to invite space and a steady breath. Sitting tall, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth while lightly firming your lower ribs in. Slowly release. Keep your left leg where it is, adding a twist. Use your right hand to draw your left leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support. Feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer thigh, hip, and low back. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, in the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.